How to buy REVSHARE token. So this token came under the symbol of REVS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. It is token trending number 8 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar. Click on your token, and as you can see, you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much to receive, as you can see. Now after that, to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider. Now select the Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back and click on swap here to be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a REVS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.